Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Chief Executive Member Jong Khas Hills Autonomous District Council ba Winston Tony Langdo ulakot yakren ki katto kani ki nomi khmat balajiet na pedang ikhun ki hajar jong Himalangrin bad ye ki nong yalam jong sang samla Himalangrin hadin ba kilapan ibor tak batmu jenrat ya khradap nar bandrung sapo ga office traikam ha jing litur pajba sa office jong council hak arpo arterik naitung arja pen rio swai kani ki pajba ki blara lang bat laki plakat le dawa ya executive committee bayalam da voice of the people party bakan weng mardor yus im ke Himalangrin upa im nang tai sings im yong hapo khasan sngi ban pendam sisndon ya ka management board hapo ke hima.
Ya rangkap cedin bandung jajai.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.